Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If VMware is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. First thing we need to do is delete any third-party antivirus apps. So because these third-party antivirus apps have too much of protection built in them, they must be not allowing VMware to operate on the system. So for that, we need to right click on the start bar, go to settings, click on apps, installed apps, and then whichever antivirus or anti-malware software you have, you need to click on the three buttons and click on uninstall and click on uninstall once again, and those third-party antivirus apps should be removed. The second thing is to remove any rival virtualization apps. So if you have any rival virtualization apps that stop VMware from working, that conflict with VMware's working, then you need to uninstall them. The third thing we can do is clear the TPM. So we will press the Windows and the R key together and we will input the command tpm dot msc. Click enter and this will open this TPM window. So here we get the status TPM is ready to use. If it's not, then there's no issue, but if it is, then you can just click on clear TPM and click on restart, and it will restart the computer and this problem should disappear. If it doesn't, then the last option is to reinstall VMware. So for that we need to look for vSphere VMware download. Click enter and then here it shows vSphere by VMware, and then you need to click what's new in vSphere update and you need to download it. It should be here somewhere. Oh, you need to register first and then you need to download it. So I have not registered, but you need to register first, and once you do that you can download the installer and you can install it. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.